know each other better conversation. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I like coffee. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm definitely a night owl. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, but I enjoy writing more. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is autumn. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What is your favorite type of cuisine? I really enjoy Chinese food. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. Are you a bookworm or a movie enthusiast? I am both. I enjoy reading books and watching movies. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? In my free time, I enjoy reading books and playing guitar. What kind of music do you like listening to? I enjoy listening to a variety of genres, including pop, rock, and classical music. How do you usually spend your weekends? On weekends, I like spending time with friends, going to the park, and trying out new restaurants. What was your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject in school was English. Can you share a memorable experience from your time in school? One memorable experience from my time in school was participating in a volleyball game. It was incredibly fun and exciting. Who was your favorite teacher and why? It was Miss Nasmia because she really made teaching both fun and learning. Do you go to the gym? Yes, and I love it. Well, I'm glad that I've known many things about you, and I'm glad to share about me.